Welcome children, welcome back to our grammar class. In our last video, we have discussed about simple present, simple past and simple future tense. And now in this video, we are going to discuss about present continuous, past continuous and future continuous tense. Continuous tense means progressive tense. The continuous form tells that an action is continuing or going on. So let us see first present continuous tense. We use present continuous tense to talk about what is happening now and is continuing at present time. Let us compare with the simple present tense. I go to school with my friends. It is a simple present tense because I used to go to school with my friends, so it is a routine. And I am going to school with my friends. It is a present continuous tense because just now I am going to school with my friends. Now, how to form a present continuous tense? We can form a present continuous tense by adding ing to the first form of the verb and using helping verbs am, is, are before verbs. We use am with I, we use is with he, she, it or singular noun, and we use are with you, we, they or plural nouns. Now, read these sentences. I am playing cricket, you are singing a song, we are playing the piano, it is getting dark, she is writing an essay. So all these ing forms are present continuous tense. Now always remember few things to form a present continuous tense. If verb ends in E, we remove the E and add ing. See, here all verbs have E at the end, last letter. Make, making. We are removing the E and adding ing. Drive, driving. Ride, riding. Dance, dancing. Strike, striking. Like that. Now, with the most short verbs that ends in the pattern consonant, vowel, consonant, you double the final consonant before you add ing. You have to see from the last letters. See here in clap, P is consonant, A is vowel and L is also consonant. So pattern is consonant, vowel, consonant. So double the last letter. Clap, clapping, robe, robing, run, running, swim, swimming. Get it? Okay. Now let us see the examples. I am learning dance at school. We are working hard. You are leaving the town soon. He is going to school. She is watching television. It is flying in the sky. They are doing their homework. So these all about present continuous tense. Now let us see past continuous tense. We use past continuous tense to talk about things that were happening in the past. It tells that the action was going on or were continuing in the past. Just now action is not continuing, but it was continuing at that time in the past. We make the past continuous tense using was or were and a verb that ends in ing. Read this sentence. I was playing cricket. You were swimming in the lake. My mother was baking a cake. Now always remember we can use past continuous tense to say what was happening when something else happened. See the example, Sunny was doing his homework when I called him. So what was Sunny doing when I called him? So he was doing his homework. Now read the examples. Polly was reading The Ugly Duckling. We were playing the piano. He was celebrating his 10th birthday. Grandfather was taking the dog to the park. They were making posters. So all these are past continuous tense. Now let us see future continuous tense. Future continuous tense is the continuity on an action in the future time. It shows that an action will be happening or going on in progress at a particular time in the future. It is not continuous just now, but it will be continuous. It will be going to be continue in future time. We use will be or shall be plus verb plus ing to form the future continuous tense. Read the examples. I shall be playing cricket. You will be swimming in the lake. My mother will be baking a cake. Grandfather will be taking the dog to the park, and they will be making posters. So all these are about the future continuous tense. Now I hope you understand continuous tense nicely. Now let us see simple and continuous tense. Present and simple present tense, Rohit plays, and present continuous tense, Rohit is playing. He plays, he is playing. In simple present, we add s or es to the verb, and in continuous, present continuous, we add am is are plus verb plus ing. Clear? In past tense, Rohit played, Rohit was playing. He played, he was playing. In simple past, we add ed, and in past continuous, we add was were plus verb plus ing. Now let us see future continuous. Rohit will play, Rohit will be playing. He will play, he will be playing. In simple future, we use shall will plus verb, and in future continuous, we use shall or will plus be plus verb plus ing. So now I hope you understand these tenses nicely. Complete your textbook exercise from the PDF which I have given to you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.